This is a brand new 2013 Audi Allroad Quattro. This SUV has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a 5-link front suspension, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: heated seats, a navigation system, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.